In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Shopify store password page. If you've been building your site and customers are seeing a password screen instead of your storefront, that's because Shopify protects new stores by default. This is great while you're setting things up, but once you're ready to go live, you'll want to switch that off so anyone can browse and buy without a password. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing in to your store's admin. From your dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and find Online Store. Click that to open the channel settings for your storefront. Inside Online Store, choose Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps general storefront settings, including the password page controls. On the Preferences page, scroll to the section labeled Password Protection. Here's the key thing to know. If you haven't selected a plan for your store yet, Shopify won't let you remove the password page. That's intentional, and it helps prevent unfinished stores from going live by accident. So if you see a notice prompting you to pick a plan, go ahead and choose the plan that fits your needs. You can review the options, confirm your choice, and complete the purchase process. This simply unlocks the ability to make your storefront publicly accessible. Once you've finished purchasing a plan, return to the same Preferences area under Online Store. Back in the Password Protection section, you'll see an option that controls access to your storefront. Uncheck the setting that restricts access so it's no longer enabled. When this option is off, your store is open to everyone, and the password screen will no longer appear for visitors. A few quick tips as you do this. Make sure you've finalized the essential pieces of your store, like your products, shipping, taxes, and payment settings, so customers have a smooth experience the moment you go live. If you previously wrote a message for the password page, remember that it won't show once access is unrestricted. Also, after unchecking the restriction, give your browser a quick refresh if you're still seeing the old screen. Changes may take a moment to reflect. That's it. By opening Shopify, going to Online Store, selecting Preferences, choosing a plan if prompted, and then unchecking the option that restricts access, you've removed the password page and made your store publicly available. You're now ready to welcome customers to your storefront. 8.